Pre-construction. To be built. Energy saving, excellent location, and custom-made with pride of craftsmanship. That is what to expect when choosing to custom build with a hands-on local builder. Located in the Olympia High School District and just moments from Thornbrooke Elementary and Gotha Middle, will be your chance to choose, from start to finish, generous allowances for flooring, appliances, cabinetry, electrical, lighting, outdoor kitchen and a pool. Let's begin out front with standard upgrades, oversized garage doors, block construction, paver driveway, and double pane high-efficiency windows. Inside, all HVAC is located nearby the garage with foam-insulated attic, away from the 4 bedrooms, gourmet kitchen, formal dining and family rooms. The kitchen is stunning, offering 42-inch cabinets with crown, decorative backsplash, pot filler, and beautiful stone counters. All baths will have either a freestanding or drop-in tub, tile flooring, granite counters and plenty of storage. The luxurious owner's suite bath will feature a big walk-in shower, beautiful appointments, roomy closet and view of the pool with options that you choose. Hayward filtration combined with an energy-efficient Hayward variable speed pump will keep this future approximate 9,000-gallon, 12 by 25 foot Unite pool with tile accents clean and sparkle at night with insert lighting. Additional features include an optional pool salt system, upgraded millwork, under cabinet lighting.